from age 18 to 55. Know this. 1. Take care of your body. 2. Normalize walking some paths alone because goals are personal. 3. Don't waste your energy to fear. Use your energy to believe, learn, create, and grow. 4. If you want to be happy, always have zero expectations of others. 5. Tell no one about your plans. Level up in the private. 6. You won't be young forever. Do what makes you happy every day. 7. Be mature enough to control your emotions. Learn to react less. 8. Free yourself from the society advice. Most of them have no idea of what they're doing. 9. Don't try to change anyone. Change how you deal with them. 10. Your circle is supposed to be proud, not jealous. 11. Do yourself a favor, get rich. Life gets easier with money, not time. 12. Master self-discipline and consistency and watch your life change. 13. The family you create is more important than the family you come from. 14. Don't go broke trying to impress broke people. 15. Be smart enough to realize nobody got rich with a salary.